I am not sure of rest of India, but I know for sure that Punjab में तो people confuse the word homely with home loving. जब शादी की बात चल रही होती है तो पंजाबी mothers often flaunt that हमारी बेटी तो बड़ी homely है, बाहर जाती ही नहीं, घर का सारा काम करती है. Dear Punjabi moms, before you call your daughter homely, please refer the dictionary. Homely means plain, without refinement or elegance, lacking in physical beauty. So what you are saying here is that कि आपकी daughter कुछ खास सुंदर नहीं है, physically attractive नहीं है. The correct phrase that you should use to propagate your conservatism is home loving. You should say that she is a home loving girl. The word is homely. The word is to be used for things that are plain, dull, and lack elegance. For example, the waitress was a homely girl from Ambala. So waitress एक सीधी सादी लड़की थी अम्बाला से. A homely child. Plain homely furniture. Think of it this way. The adjective homely is slightly more gentle word than the word ugly. It's almost always used to describe a less than attractive person and occasionally less than attractive animal or objects. In British English, we also have a secondary meaning. Homely means home-like. So, if some place gives you a home-like feeling or home-like comfort, you can use the word homely for that. For example, the hotel was homely and comfortable. The hotel was home-like and comfortable. So, if you are British, you can use the word homely to mean cozy and home-like, but in United States, you should instead prefer the word homey. So, the hotel was homey and comfortable.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep